Good morning, this is Tita Base. This morning we cook a creamy and delicious sopas. As we all know, sopas is a right food for this rainy season. That's why we prepare sopas for our frontliner who were helping our senior citizen to be vaccinated. So sopas, as you see, creamy white with evaporated milk, hot dog, chicken flakes, liver, gizzard, and then the pasta. As you see, this are actual cupping. We put it in a cup, and then we pour the soup. No, we pour the soup after we boil the pasta and we cook the chicken flakes. No, we boiled it with seasoning. And then we saute the pasta together with some sahog like chicken flakes and vegetables like carrots and cabbage. And then we put it on a cup. We put it on a cup and then we pour the soup. Okay, the soup we cook it separately. As you see, it's a white, creamy white. It's a combination of evaporated milk and additional seasoning like chicken cubes, and then we also put ground pepper for it to add additional taste in our soup. It's ground pepper. We made 60 cups of sopas for our 60 frontliner. And they want it to be hot as we serve to them. So that's our creamy sopas for our frontliner. Thank you guys. See you next vlog.